Hey, future innovators. Welcome to AI-ALIA. Your AI journey begin. As AI is today, AI is already transforming careers and the workforce. We are entering the era of agentic AI. They think, decide, and execute.
Control AI with one skill, temp prompt engineering. Master it, you won't search for jobs and opportunities will naturally find you.
After prompt engineering, the top high-demand, high-pay role is agentic AI developer, building AI that works independently.
To empower engineering students, this full internship training is offered free, including live sessions and industry-based projects.
Our AI internship starts with zero fees, no registration, no training, no certification cost. No prior skills needed, just your willingness to learn. Start your AI career today. Apply